Okay, YouTube, this is what I did. It didn't get rid of the popping, crackling popcorn noise all the way, but it did get a lot better. So let me show you how my setup is. This is my Harley Davidson Outrush R modular helmet, and this is my setup. This is what it looks like with my GoPro mounted on there. And so this is what I did is I got my GoPro mounted, got the adapter. I ran this through here, just put some electrical tape so this ain't flapping in the wind, which was all like that before. Ran it through my visor, into the cheek pad, and before I had, let me open this up so you guys can see, I had it taped here on this guy. And another thing I tried was I put the mic inside this foam piece, inside this. This is the for the Cena, not the GoPro. So what I have done recently is I fed it down the strap right inside here, and the mic for the GoPro is actually inside right here, right where you strap it. Right here. This little pad right here. That's where my mic's at, right there. I'm touching it right there. That's the mic. So when I'm wearing it, it's actually a pad, and it sits right here. The idea was that if it's not trapped in this bubble, that it's down here, like so, it wouldn't get that negative pressure. And it obviously did get better, so I think I'm onto something. And I did like the quality a lot better. Did crackle a little bit in the video at higher speeds, about 65, 70 on the highway there, but it wasn't near as bad. So I think I'm going to keep it like that for a little bit and test them. Another thing I found is when it did pop, is crackle the most, is the opposite effect. Is when I had the visor completely open, it seemed to crackle when it was more down here, when before when it was in here it crackled less, or made the popcorn noise. So this is my setup, and I wanted to show you what I did here. And so again, that mic is actually down here inside there, so I'll keep playing with it. If I can get it to go away 100%, I'll let you guys know. But so far, this is a lot better. This is a way better fix than what it was doing. And you can watch my video before and see where I was at before to where I'm at now. I'm on to something. Alright, what's up YouTube? This is going to be another mic test. I might have figured it out. I'm not sure. But if this is the answer, I might be onto something. I've done plenty of mic tests with this GoPro to stop making the crackling, popping, or what I would like to also refer to as popcorn, making popcorn in my helmet. So I got to get to a spot where I can get up to some speed, because it only happens at higher speeds, and I'm talking 55 on up and stuff. And if it's a real windy day, which is not right now, my bike's showing 80 degrees, and it's a beautiful, beautiful riding day. So I went for a ride earlier, and I tried different things with my mic, and one of the things that I noticed I got less to no popping noises when I had my visor completely 100% open. So what might be happening there is like a negative pressure that's hitting on the mic when I'm going fast, almost like a vacuum. And if that's the case, then it's fixable. It ain't my mic, it ain't the GoPro, it's the negative pressure inside the helmet. So I'm really hoping this works. And if it does, I'll show you what I did. I can explain it to you. But I rerouted my mic for my GoPro down in this little cushion part of my strap in my helmet. So now it's down here at the very bottom of my chin. It's not even in the helmet now, so there shouldn't be any negative pressure. Maybe if I was to lower my head. And also it gives an added padding, so it should buffer some more wind. But I really don't think the wind was the issue. It was actually a pressure issue. And like I said, if that's the case, that's the fix. We're gonna find out, and if this works, that's great. And I'd love to share it with all you guys, and I really hope this works. The only downfall, my only worry is that now it's nowhere near my mouth. It's actually on my chin, like touching my throat, kind of almost. That you guys won't be able to hear me as well, which there might be a fix for that, because there is a setting on the GoPro that shows you can actually increase the decibels to plus 20. You got a standard, and then you got a plus 20, then it goes into power mic, and then it goes into the other setting. It's a beautiful day. I've already seen a lot of bikes out, and so a lot of people are taking advantage of this nice day, as I am. And again, I'm gonna still try to do like, okay, so this is open mic, or open visor, sorry, open visor, 100% open. I got my what do you call it, sunglass part of it down, so I still have eye protection if I need it. But I'm gonna also try visor 1 click down, 2 click down, and close, and see how that works for the sound as well. I mean, it's all just a test. Maybe I will lose some sound. Maybe you guys won't be able to hear me. Maybe it won't have hardly to little to no effect, is what I'm really hoping. But we're almost up here, and we're gonna get this baby up to speed so I can actually get some wind, some speed, where this, what I'm going to call popcorn noise, happens at the most frequent. And if I've posted a video before, and maybe you guys have seen that, I don't know, but I can post a link to it. I'm still learning all the settings on there for the editing, so I'm probably gonna have help doing that. But yeah, check out my video I had before, and you'll get a better understanding of what my complaint was with the audio of this GoPro. So I've got it up to speed now. At this speed, you could guarantee you should be hearing some kind of crackling or popping or whatever. And I'm kind of curious to see if that all goes away. That would be great. And again, if it works, I'm going to post the fix. This is going to be posted, and this will be the fix. And that'll allow me to get out and do a lot more videos for you guys, because like I said in my previous video, I've threw away a lot of footage. I've deleted it just because of the audio was so bad that I wouldn't even want to watch it. So I'm trying to figure this out, and I'm not saying 100% that maybe I could have got a better, higher quality mic, and maybe that's what I'm still going to end up having to do. But I still got my doubts that that's what's causing it. So we're gonna see. I got her opened up on the highway. I'm doing, you know, everything. I'm gonna go run through these tests. I'm gonna open up my visor, just 1 click up, and see if any crackling and popping. Gonna go 2nd click up, any crackling or popping now. Now I'm gonna go full open visor, any crackling or popping. But where I have my mic set, it should not affect my visor anymore. It now might affect my sound. Alright. I'm gonna ride visor down again, and I think this might actually amplify my voice back down to the mic. It might sound muffled. Maybe the clearness of this is all just, I gotta review this footage, so just bear with me. So we'll see what happens. Guys, I think summer's here. Spring's definitely here. We're getting some summer type temperatures, and this is great. I'm loving this. We made it here in Oklahoma pretty much all February with spring-like temperatures. Now at night it did get really cold. Some dropped around like freezing and kind of hovering around them, sometimes below freezing. But during the day we were hitting 50s, 60s. We started touching on some 70s as of today. And the forecast for the next 2 days is going to be in the 80s, and we're at the end of February, and this is just crazy. We skated through all of February, where usually is one of our worst months for getting hit. We're out here riding. That's just great. I love this. I can't wait to go home and review this footage so I can, God, I hope I can get a good video posted for you guys to say, yes, I figured it out, you know? And there ain't no sense in wasting a bunch of time or footage, so I'm going to go ahead and head it back so I can review this and see if this was a fix. That ride right there alone should tell me everything I need to know, whether it's fixed, whether you guys can hear me, all that good stuff. And also, if you guys are watching this video, for the guys that don't use GoPro, they use the Insta360, let me know if that has a problem, or if that's not an issue. I know I've heard like the earlier GoPros, they didn't have this issue. The GoPro earlier generation, there was no popcorn noise in the helmet. I'm not making popcorn in the helmet. So I don't know what's changed. Boy, this road has a lot of potholes. A lot of gremlins falling off the gremlin bell here. If you guys don't know the story on the gremlin bell, it's supposed to pick up all the evil, bad spirit kind of things that, and they get trapped in the bell, and every time the bell rings they fall and they make a pothole. So this must have a lot of bad juju on this road right here. A lot of motorcycle riders ran down here with the gremlin bell, and then the luck of the gremlin bell, having one on your bike, that it works the best if it's gifted to you, and also it works even better if the person gifted to you installs it on your bike. So I don't know how much of that is you could look into, superstition, whatever, I get it, but I could use all the luck I can, so I had my wife install my gremlin bell. I picked it out, of course, and I showed her how I wanted it installed, and she put it on for me, and she bought it for me for Christmas, and I've had it on ever since. And hey, if it works, it works. That's it for now, YouTube. Thank you for joining me. I'm really hoping this is a video I can post as a fix, and I will show you what I did if this works and add this to the video. And gosh, let's just hope I figured it out. Like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you watching my content. It helps me out. I'm trying to grow as a channel, and I'm trying to get as much content out as possible, but the content I put out, I want it to be good. I don't want the audio to ruin it. So if anybody's going to ruin my video, it's going to be me, not my hardware. So thank you, YouTube. Let's giddy up and go.